Hello, it's Carly McAvoy. I wanted to do a few order of operation problems that were a little harder than what I had on the other video. When you have a fraction, of course, you're going to take care of the numerator, then you're going to take care of the denominator. In the numerator, I have 3 and 4. I can't combine those because this 4 is going to multiply what's in there. So I'm going to simplify in here first. Negative 3 minus 7 is negative 10. And I have negative 5 on the bottom. Down below I can start to simplify. I'm going to do the multiplication. Up on top I have negative 10 over negative 5, which is 2. So I have 3 minus 8 minus 9 and negative 9 plus 10. And 3 minus 8 is negative 5, minus 9 is negative 14, and negative 9 plus 10 is 1, so I get negative 14. Okay, also you might have something that has absolute values in it, absolute value expressions. Order of operations is really hard for some people. So if you're having trouble with it, go into the study plan and do some more of these until you're getting them right. 4 minus 5 is negative 1. That's going to be to the second power. In here I have 4 minus 8, which is negative 4. On the denominator I have 141 minus 3 times 36. Now I have negative 1 squared. Remember that looks like negative 1 times negative 1, which is 1, as opposed to this, which is negative 1 times 1 or negative 1. Those are two different things, right? So negative 1 squared is 1. I have 3 times 4 because the absolute value of negative 4 is 4. So I'm just going to say that's 3 times 4. And then down below I have 144, and 36 times 3 is 108. Is that right? 1 minus 12 is negative 11. And 144 minus 108, I don't want to make any silly mistakes here, is 32. So 3 times 36 is 108. 144. Oh, here's what I did wrong. Up here I had 141 and then I wrote 144. So hopefully you caught that and were just like, what is she doing? You know, that's a common mistake that people make that I just made. They'll email me and say, I've done this so many times and my boyfriend did it and whatever, and I still can't get it right. And it turns out that they just didn't write it down correctly. So that should be over 33, and negative 11 over 33 is negative 1/3. So be careful that you don't make an error as you go through there. The last one I wanted to show you is simplifying an expression. Doesn't matter what your powers are in there. You can only add and subtract like terms. So for this one, I have 72x squared. What isn't a like term? A like term means the same variable to the same power. And then I have 9x squared minus 9, just distributing there, plus 7. And then 72x squared minus 45. And I'm going to go ahead and simplify inside here, 9x squared minus 2. And then I'm going to bring this down, 72x squared minus 45 minus 9x squared and plus 2. 72 minus 9 is 63x squared. Negative 45 plus 2 is negative 43. So that would be the simplified version of that. Okay, have a fantastic day.